Now exercise 10.4 question number 2. Construct triangle PQR if PQ is 5 centimeter, angle PQR is 105 degree and angle QRP is 40 degree. Now here very important point I want to tell you. Suppose I am drawing this triangle. Okay. Now Q is given to you me is 105 degree. R is given to me which is 40 degree. But QR, this one is not given. Okay. P is not given, angle P is not given, but PQ is given. So you will think, teacher, how will we draw? This is not ASA property. This is not satisfying ASA property. But I can construct this triangle even if I have not have this ASA property. How I will show you. Now you know angle sum property, children. The sum of angle of the triangle is 180 degree. Now two angles has been given to you. You can find the third angle. So measurement of angle P plus measurement of angle Q plus measurement of angle R is equals to 180 degree in this triangle PQR. Now Q and R is given. So measurement of angle P is equals to 105 plus 140, it is 145. So 1 plus 145 degree is equals to 180 degree. Now 145 you can keep it here. So measure of angle P is equals to 180 degree minus 145 degree. What will be the answer? 35 degree. Right? So 35 degree. I got this P which is of 35 degree. Now if I got this P, I have Q, I have PQ. I can draw the triangle. Okay, so let me draw the rough sketch first. Now I will keep P and Q at the bottom. Forget about this 40 degree now. Okay. Now I'll keep P and Q. P here, Q here. P I got 35 degrees. So this is my 35 degree. This is 105 degree, children. Right? 105 degree. So Q is 105 degree. And PQ is given in the already, that is 5 centimeter. Forget about R. We don't need to worry about R whether it is 40 degree. We'll check it at the end. Okay. Now all the angles has been given to me. First I will draw as it is shown here in the rough sketch. Okay. Which is of 5 centimeter. So first I will draw a line of 5 centimeter. Line segment. Which is of 5 centimeter. So this is my PQ of 5 centimeter. Now P is given 35 degree as we have seen here. So with the help of protractor, 1 minute, children, just hold on a moment. It's not here. Yeah, I got it. Sorry, children. With the help of protractor, I will make a 35 degree angle as angle P. So keeping my P on keep this 0, I have to make 35 degree angle which is 30 and 40 in middle of the 30 and 40. This is my 35 degree. Okay. Let me check whether it is correct or not. Yes, it is correct. I have to make angular ray. joining these two, P and this dot. Okay, this is my 35 degree, children. Now this is 105 degree. So again I want to remind you that when you are, let me just keeping this line little bit, this ray little bit extended. I'm little bit extending this point. Now as you're aware that when I am making a angle from the right hand side point, I have to keep my protractor like this. Now 105, I have to check above line. So my 105 is here. This one 0, 110, 105, and this is my 105. 100 and 110, middle one is 105. Now with the help of scale, I'll join these two dots. And this angle is my 105 degree, and this point of intersection you can see here, that is my R. So as you can see here in this, my triangle PQR is ready. I'm just little bit removing this arrow so that you will not get confused. Okay, now my PQR is ready. Now if you want to check whether this one is of 40 degree or not, it is mentioned here, so you can check it with the protractor like this, and this is exactly 40 degree, children, as you can mention here. Now just you have to write a steps. Thank you.